What pains me a lot with butterflies? Do you know, Sai, before one a butterfly, they only exist in the stomach.
You are such a go-getter who gets nothing. I don't get how that works. Cause
definitely siwezi kwa leftovers. Na kama niko leftovers, I'm left with you.
What a confidence booster.
I'm one of the most kind-hearted person unaweza pata. But I also have choices. She happens not to be one of them.
I'm a caretaker and I take care of you.
No.
Huyu mama najua ameninoki.
Yes, we are talking about how we can come together and, you know, start something, start a family.
That also concludes something about you.
About?
Extinct, yeah. Like the white rhino.
Yeah, so unajua the white rhino, sasa you now umeenda deep sana because hiyo ni do, of course you know iko extinct. Yeah, todo na unaileta yao itiniwonete.
Yes, I Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a hot minute, let me tell you. I have missed you all. First of all, before Taniendele, I want to thank everyone who have kept it here from 2020. Actually, I started this YouTube channel in 2020 and a whole 120,000 of you have been here, and even when I have not been posting, you guys have been here. So I want to thank you guys for choosing to stay here. And guess what? Yeah? Guys, I am back, or rather we are back like we never left, and this time it's something not what you have ever thought of, because we have great show lined up for you. My name is Naomi Kuria, and I am not alone, guys. I am not alone. I am here with the love of my life. I'm here like with the love of my life. I'm here with a dream come true, with an answered prayer. Man, I think when you see me here, just know that God really answers prayers. So without much ado, I want to introduce you to a very special person in my life, so that he may introduce himself, and also to do what you are doing in this video. But before that, I also want to welcome every new subscriber. Whoever will subscribe, whoever is subscribing now, feel much welcome. Make sure to leave a comment and let us know how you feel about us.
The introduction was a bit extra.
Kwani nimedanganya?
Mimi answered prayer. Kwani maombi zinafaa kujibiwa in like for both of us.
Yes.
Hiyo ni kama umejibiwa tu saidi yako kwanza.
Wait, ngoja. I said I'm here with like the greatest blessing in my life. And you're not acknowledging that.
It's too much.
What?
I mean, what do you mean that a dream come true, all those things? I mean, kuna dreams watu wana hope for ziko, you know, something bigger than, you know.
So what do you mean?
Yeah, like,
before we let like negative vibes, like before you try to bring me down, can you introduce yourself? Or I can introduce him.
No, I'll introduce myself.
But because I feel like I know you.
Trust me, you don't. Let me do that.
Because of like, see, I think tumekuwa na like a fair share of.
So how about you introduce yourself and let me introduce myself?
Fine, but also I would.
You would? Anyway, my name is Isaac Gedua, and yeah, I'm a content creator.
And
what?
Is that all?
Yeah, that's basically it.
And that's why I wanted to introduce you.
Useme nini? Is there anything else you should add to that?
Yes.
Which is?
You are leaving a lot of details, by the way.
About what exactly?
Like about who you are. Like the people, also the people who surround you.
Okay.
Because the people who surround you make you who you are.
What a confidence booster.
Are you trying to bring yourself in the picture?
No, I'm trying to tell you that you have left a big part of your introduction out.
Oh, so you start talking about my parents here?
Not parents. Anyway, so He said he's Isaac Kidwa.
Yeah.
He said he's a content creator. Umeacha hiyo part ya we share something together. We share something very special together. And also me, I am a caretaker.
Of course, yeah. What do you take care of?
I'm a caretaker and I take care of you.
No.
Huyu mama najua ameninoki.
Like I told you, you're being a bit extra, you know.
Me,
Ni caretaker. Sema kazi yako ni caretaker. I mean,
me kazi yangu ni caretaker, but you caretaker is taking care of. I take care of you.
you take care of the tenants.
You are one of them.
Yeah, but
Why do you think you are here?
Phrase kama you take care of me, nakani kama there is something we have.
But of course there is something.
There is nothing.
Why do you think you are here?
Why am I here?
Exactly, because there is.
You should have told me this earlier.
So Jumejua.
You know, not that you are here, but okay, in terms of marital status, what's your status, by the way?
Ebu guess.
You look married to me. Huwezi kuwa hujaolewa na hii miaka. So
Miaka?
I assume you're married.
What do you mean? Ati siwezi kuwa sijaolewa na hiyo miaka?
I mean, how old are you?
No, please.
No, I would assume you have you're married and you are hustling for probably a kid or two.
Like unataka kusema ninakaa niko married na niko na watoto wawili?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
Ama unakaa maybe ulikuwa umeolewa but ama uko na mtoto but hujaolewa, you know, all those things.
What if that is a no? What else do I look? What if that all is of it is no?
Itabidi ukibizane na wakati.
Because as in ukibizana na wakati aje?
Unajua nisikie in China ukifikisha 30 you become, what do they call them? You become, once you kama hujapata partner at the age of 30 you are considered that ni kama outcast hivi. Yeah, in China. Hebu sijui wa viewers kama wanajua hiyo.
In China?
Yes, in China.
But thank God we are not in China. So
They
anyway.
call them something, yeah.
But anyway, we guess. How is you guess?
Mabaki, the leftovers. They call them leftovers.
So in short,
So I'm sure you're not in that bracket of leftovers. I'm sure we're ushapata mtu, right?
so that's why we are here.
What?
Definitely siwezi kuwa kwa leftovers. Na kama niko leftovers, I'm left with you.
We're trying to
What a confidence booster. Look at that highlight.
yeah, so that is my guess. In terms of your status, your marital status.
Higher. That is no. It's a no. So guess something else.
You're not. You don't have a partner.
Good news.
To who?
Good news. Take it as good news. I don't have a partner. I'm not married.
Oh wow. Okay. And then you need to find someone.
Exactly. That's So what about you?
For me, I'm also not married. What?
See, what are you saying?
I'm not married, and of course, but I'm talking with someone here and there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
And so far so good.
so far so good,
Yes,
kabisa.
yes.
So ni nini sasa? What are you talking about?
So we are talking about how we can come together and start a family. Yeah.
I think me it's a yes from me.
What was the question? Who popped the question? What?
It's a yes.
Yeah?
So we don't have to talk, like we can tunaweza save your time yote ya kutalk, we proceed.
Oh, okay. No. Okay. Yeah, no. Of course, we are progressing conversation elsewhere, not with you definitely.
What?
You know that. Huh?
But because kama unasema ni conversation, that means you guys mko tu pahali.
Yeah, we are somewhere.
And I can catch up with you.
No.
If I want to catch up, I can catch
But
up.
I don't want you to.
But where there is will, there is a way.
But there's no will at my end.
But
We cannot work with your will.
We can actually imagine we can.
Hey partner, tuwezi work na vile yako. Now, are you always like this?
Like what aje?
Like naweza taka sana kujua about your bringing up, your background.
Background.
Yes, like how have you brought up?
Yeah, like yes, tunaweza.
Wewe ni wapi?
Yes, tunaweza ile siku basi tutaenda kuona wazazi. I think tutahave your conversation.
Hakuna wazazi tunaenda kuona.
See, I mean, just the day that you make that step.
There is no, you're not making any step here.
Okay, so unataka.
So you always, you know, when you unachanganya every conversation, you want to bring that us, you know, the we. I just want to know about you and your background. Tell me about you.
I think this to me is a milestone. The fact that you want to know about my background, it means a lot.
Call it whatever, but tell me about it.
So, go first. Like, wewe kwanza kwenyu ni wapi?
Mimi hapa tu Kiambu.
Kiambu?
Yeah.
But wewe umelelewa Ushago, wewe Wagisagi.
Born and bred.
Born and bred.
Kiambu, mimi ni wapale Gatodo.
Aya, hello.
Ndio wa Gatodo.
Kororia.
Ni kuni kuita Kororia.
Wewe na dada Sara.
Dada Sara, baadaye Gatodo pia iko na wasanii kadhaa.
Kwani wewe ni msanii?
Sasa mimi ni mmoja, I'm just saying that usisikia kama Jimmy Kajim.
Oh, Kajim is from Gatondo.
Yeah, he's from Man.
Nabia there is a devil from Gatondo. Have you seen that
clip? The devil of Gatondo is from now the south.
No.
The devil of Gatondo.
Asa, that lady kwa Pasanganga aliuliza the devil akasema from Gatondo.
Gatondo.
So that you guys are diverse, eh?
Yes, yes. So you like we are a concoction of everything.
Concoction of even demons.
Yes.
But what Gatondo looks like what? Is it hilly?
Not sio kama Muranga.
Okay, Muranga was just chilling.
Nasikia nini Muranga hata unaweza amka upate shamba yako imejiekelea kwa ya mwingine. It's that bad.
No.
But then nasikia by the way if you marry a wife kutoka Muranga, statistically ukiwa bibi wa Muranga haizi hepa. They have seen so much from kwao haizi toka.
So okay, what factor Muranga inaingilia wapi hapa na the fact that haizi potea?
Kwani umetoka huko?
Yes, actually yes. So I want to understand.
That says it all.
Says what?
Says that your behavior. Oh, I see.
No, wait. Muranga people, we need to rise, brace for impact, because we need to arise and defend our place. Let me ask you, what is it that women from Muranga hawezi potea? Ni nini? What is the factor behind it?
Because like ukimtoa tu Muranga kuna stage umemtoa yenye hata umpeleke wapi so long as no amuru tamona
Dagira then
hata tana na shida uko na mama yake ulide ulide na akukiria asio mako
hata bagia dhani akaihore no
mama yake ulide na ginya no mauri style ya
la mauri aginya na tuma
ya watu madonge hitia kanua. So that's my yeah, so Muranga.
No, I think that's a very wrong narrative.
Of course, when Muranga Muranga, so if you
imagine me this this is
a product of Muranga.
Bruh. You guys have been downplaying this place. Guys, this.
I know that.
This is Muranga.
Okay. Yeah. So you are. It's not that you guys are go-getters. It is that you must get. You must go get. You guys must go.
It's not about the go-getter factor.
Yeah, they need go-getters because Muranga people who Muranga are very rich. Because they almost.
Yes.
Mzima ni watu wa Muranga, but yes. They are industrious.
So why?
Factors in our force. But then ni ngumu sana usikie mtu mimi sijisikia mtu huku Kiambu ameolewa ameenda kuishi Muranga. But the vice versa happens almost every now and then.
Muranga even get married to Luos. We are not being tribal here, but facts. Luos love Kikuyu babes well.
Mbona unaweka bracket kama Muranga ndio Kikuyu? Kikuyu is Wide.
But the headquarters.
Headquarters kitu gani? Ni wapi Murang'a unaweza jenga kitu kama nini headquarters?
It is not about the place. It's not about the place, it's about the people. Get it? Facts.
Murang'a, by the way, the only thing I love about Murang'a is their Kikuyu. They have very nice Kikuyu.
Kiega Fio hii.
Oh, kia Murang'a ni Kiega.
Fio.
Because ukiangalia Kikuyu kama ya Nyeri, what are they saying?
Ai.
Wanaitwek sana, wanaitotototo sana. So hiyo imejaa, asifika ni maringo ama ni nini?
No, I think it's cute.
No, I don't think. Mi Kikuyu and is day rank.
Una ya Kirinyaga?
Kirinyaga ni kali juu hiyo ndio yao hiyo. So that's hiyo ni kali sana.
Na Embu.
Pia Embu ni. Unajua sasa hizo zote ziko nini? Unajua Embu ni lugha iko kivyake, hiyo Kirinyaga bado iko kivyake. Ni kama Kimeru. So
if you are given a chance between Embu, Nyeri, Murang'a, Kirinyaga na Meru, where would you like get a wife?
Nyandarua, which you haven't mentioned. You're always missing everything I would want. Because Nyandarua is pia Nyandarua. So
let's assume Nyandarua is not in the picture.
Okay, for me, it's kama nilikuwa travel, but me lazima niwe Mkikuyu. So probably I'll go for.
Thank God.
Really?
Thank God.
Yeah.
We are coming close to home.
Yes, mmesema nyinyi mnaenda kwa Wajaluo.
No, the Luos come to us.
Oh.
But you know Luos are better, for lack of a better word.
Oh, okay. In terms of?
That's opinionated though. Let me tell you. You're not even ready. You wouldn't even want to hear what I'm about to say.
Oh, you go ahead and say
You wouldn't. I would love you so much. I would love to protect your heart, your feelings, your ego.
Your opinion doesn't scratch any bit.
It is not an opinion.
My ego.
It's already have started scratching.
You go ahead and say, okay, are you talking about in terms of they are romantic, they take care of their wives?
Yo, let me tell you.
Naonanga memes every now and then zikisema ati date everyone safe from Luo.
Let's keep that aside. Gatondo?
Gatondo is a nice place.
So you grew up in Gatondo?
Yeah.
Ko woreretwo na thina?
Kakoyena. Ona Gatondo kwa redu tumono.
Ah!
Hata siwezi toa sauti wewe.
Guy, you are a victim of jiggers.
Yeah, jiggers, unajua jiggers zinapenda place kuna, I understand zina joto. Yeah.
Yeah, zinapenda joto sana.
Yes. And then
that also concludes something about you.
About?
You are hot. Yeah. Should be a compliment. Yeah. Take it as a compliment.
From you, no, but that's a nice one. Nitafutia yako moja na mimi nirudishe.
I can't wait.
So, jiggers zilikuwa very common in our area.
Woi.
Na pia Murang'a unasema woi.
Mimi nilikula na moja, just one. Nilikula ngona moja tu.
Because zilikuwa common cause.
Nilikula ngona moja tu somewhere here. Sikuwa understand the science behind jiga kuingia. Unajua kuanga na shimo, haikuanga na njia yenye umeingilia.
Unajua unaona jiggers yabagia edhuya. It's a
Dhuya sina umanga mtu nje.
Dhuya ka ule kaka kurutore akagoro.
Dhuya ni mdudu.
Ini kwa jiggers kaliki.
Dhuya ni mdudu. Why mbona unaisema ni kama kitu is a growth?
Si hiyo kama mdudu ikikudunga, kuna jiggers zinaweza ikiwa kubwa kama unaona muda kitu dutu.
Iko hana gukuma.
Hiyo unaona inakuwa imegrow hapo but katipu kakende kadhuya kanini mono. Kadhuya nuko gakoraga in the skin.
Diga gakaria.
Ndiga find condition ni jegare.
Usitabo condition kama?
Gakora kile gakora tarigi kwa gwithamba muno.
Oka gwithamba na hiyo.
Sasa hiyo ni fedi yangu ama ni wazazi ndo ndio githambie ndi mwana.
Atere. Lakini uko nani? Uko umefika ile point ya kunuka. Okay. So the number one condition ni kutooga.
Kutooga pia kuachilia taru waterere duyale. Tondu ciari nyingi na ndore matakoragwo na cio ri ni haria tarenge they were so careful maigwaga duyale makaruta. Like you must ikingi hivyo unaitoa. So ukiachilia ni gwera.
Ina grow.
Yes. Wakora mundu igwa thuya akaruta. Gerekereria yake yari yaginya kiara. Yes, kwa tumalizo ni ndio muno. But no sai hapana. Unajua umeanza ku notice kuna vitu zimeanza kuwa extinct.
Yeah. Like the white rhino.
Yeah, sasa unajua the white rhino sasa wewe umeenda deep sana because hiyo ni do of course you know iko extinct. Yeah. Todo unaileta ya white ni wonete.
Yes, I think.
Ndio una ya white ile. Yo nduneli. Oneteko.
It's just
nimeona hiyo kweli. So
guys, you have hii ni kitu tuliona tukiwa primary tukienda national park.
Yeah, so unaona you have to go somewhere to see it.
Yeah. So we are talking about vitu ziko na
sisi. Kama tuhiti da tukiona lizard, tukiona it was a normal occurrence kuona lizard kama kwetu. Sasa kuona lizard ni hadi mtoko na mtoto anaweza kwambia je na lizard zimeanza kuisha hivyo.
Butterflies.
Na ndio jagathi. Lizard ni jagathi.
Jagathi ni dimi lizard we ziko kwa miti.
Nini ati tenele.
Githenyoka.
I don't know kama ni githenyoka ni tofauti. Kuna lizard kwa kaleta ukagurumuki kalea no kagurumuki.
Kagurumuki ndiko.
Ndi so kuna lizard kagurumuki. Na kuna ile si ya dudu.
Na the white one Kenya kana kwa nyumba kale ka clear.
Kautu kagurumuki.
Wewe. No.
Ala kati nikaginya mutinga we.
Ai, guys, I'm talking about the white one Kenya unaweza pata hata kwa nyumba Nairobi.
Yes, kwa nini kata kagurumuki? Okay. Kwa kagurumuki ni ki?
Honestly, I think I'm too classy for that.
For that,
yeah. Honestly, yenye mi najua
ndio nasema vitu zingine hadi gina kebu.
Siebu siekuo.
Unaona kebu, one was the last time uone kebu.
I think nilikuwa class 8.
So unaona. But kitambo we used to see them like kebu wako like kidogo kebu. Sasa hizi zipatikani.
Why? By the way, so, guys, have you noticed something like that? Ebu tell us the things zenye unafeel kama ulikuwa unaziona sana when you are younger and you don't see them.
Uzioni. Kwa kebu one the kebu last.
But tuko Nairobi, unajua tuko Nairobi, watu wenye wako home.
Hata wao bana.
Watu wenye wako home wana relate sana na hizi vitu.
Yeah, because maybe you don't takelea. Alafu unajua the more naona hizo vitu zinakuja kama zinakuwa affected labda na
and climate
nini
idiria turahada tarunaona vitu kama chameleons zilikuwa zina exit sana kwa misitu in bushy places and a lot of bushes have been cleared right now.
Na gige na sile ya gige mnaona gige?
Yeah, grasshoppers.
Gige no.
What pains me a lot in butterflies. Do you know Sai before one a butterfly, they only exist in the stomach.
Unajua butterfly. Wow.
Your comeback must be big.
Wow, manze.
Must.
Butterflies not they are sign of beauty. So ngomaanisha ya as the planet is losing beauty.
No, planet is at large. Can you bring it home? So what are you saying?
I'm saying that kuona butterflies to place is a sign of
Who beauty. Said butterflies are a sign of beauty? Okay.
I think not.
Conclude your point. So
So ngomaanisha vitu yo ni nature iki display beauty yake. Butterflies they are hata sunangi hadi hizi adverts nta kunini kitu ya beauty wana butterfly nini. It's a sign of that you don't even that's not explain nini.
Be fine, but now so the fact that butterflies were kidogo, that means
the nature is fading in terms of beauty.
But we are now the expression of beauty. We have become the expression of beauty now.
Who?
People like me.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Is it a subject to like discussion, or you're doubting that?
It is not even a subject of discussion. That is your opinion, and it's okay.
It only matters to me.
Or probably it matters to others. But did you get the point? These of it imekuwa extinct. Jagathi the last time sijui niona Jagathi ilikuwa lini.
Ona jege.
Naomba tukiwa wadogo ati Jagathi ile. Ukishika Jagathi unaanza kushake mkono.
Ukiua.
Ukiua.
Yes.
Sasa kuna
una give vibes za vintage body.
Yeah, manze.
I think you are older. You are older than I expected. I think I don't love them old.
Oh, okay.
It's like I'm starting to antique boxes.
Please do that.
I'm starting to antique boxes.
When you talk about when you talk about history, it doesn't make you old. Mbona history inafanya mtu akuwe mzee. Some people just want to dig deep in history.
So Ebu, tell us, okay, apart from the Jiggers thing, Gatondo, what else? What was the leadership in Gatondo in those days?
Leadership, in terms of leadership. Unajua Gatondo imekuwa mambo leadership, you cannot even tumetoa president wawili.
Why? Oh yeah. Our dear beloved. Our dear did you ever meet him? Or na His Excellency
through campaigns in the Mona?
No. Come on. Hujai meet Uhuru?
Who meet like on to have a tete-a-tete? What do you mean? Wewe umefanya hivyo?
But he's
umeona kengara wa Ruiru?
I am not from Ruiru. If let me say, if Kibaki was from my village, sorry, si Kibaki. If Uhuru Kenyatta was from my village,
you'd visit.
Bra, hata namba yangu haikuwa na status. We live alone visiting status. Na na comment.
Unajua
ana comment na moto.
Muranga na go getting.
Again.
Nasimama kwa gate hapo wiki mzima. Definitely utamuona.
He doesn't take that much. Yeah. So you never met Uhuru. Have you met Kururia?
I have not met Kururia pia.
Do you desire anyway?
Labda kuwa na kuchikia na sikuiza na peana milioni.
Na kwa milioni yako.
Kwa milioni ningu eteka.
I've met Kururia. He's actually he has very white teeth.
What?
Yeah. I've met him once. His teeth.
Well, that was your take home.
No, it was just an observation. Ebu funny.
What is so funny?
Hapo yake na moto.
Oh yeah, kuna watu. Mimi sina zingine by the way.
Why? Mbona una meno by the way?
Mambo tu ya issue ya meno. By the way hata natafuta nini mtu anaweza nini. Check up ya meno nini watu wanaona kwa.
Alafu unajua hiyo yenye una iko hii side yenye niko.
Hii. Madem.
Kuna vile kuangalia na kama tuko pale underpass ya Ruisambu. Naona kisa.
Cheka tu. Pia nafanya hivyo.
Ati madem nini?
Madem wanaanga meno fulani hapa. Wanaanga they look nice kama wakicheka. Sijui inakuwa gani.
Guys, hebu niambieni kutolewa meno ni how much? I would consider that.
Kuna meno fulani sikuwa hapa mbele sana.
Kama hii yako.
Anacheka hiyo kanini?
Inaonekana.
Kanga very nice, yes.
Kama hiyo yako?
Mimi yangu sijui. I guess the next one from hiyo. Acha.
Wacha ni hesabu ni ya ngapi ndio nikitolewa nitolewe the exact one.
But nikitoa hii meno I was left with no choice. No a joke. Why? Sasa na stories za meno. Mtu mwenye amekuwa na issues za meno hapa anaweza sema, anaweza kuona ukicheka anashangaa what? Sasa pia wana dental formula poa. Talk about kiingia kwa meno unakuwa maga watu igirare. Sasa ni hotane ile.
Let me tell you cannot tell me nothing about my teeth.
Unajua can anyone tell you anything about yourself?
No.
You see.
Confidence is too high that I cannot take rubbish. Confidence huko. So what was the issue around where kutoa hiyo meno?
Kuumwa.
Ai.
Acha mimi kama naweza enda
hosi. I'm so sorry.
Kama naweza enda hosi niangaliwe na dentist mzuri. Sifai kuwa na meno kama zingine 4. Zenye nasikianga hiyo ifai kuwa hii inaniuma.
Like ile serious pain.
Yeah, ama siwezi.
Ama sensitivity.
Siwezi kunywa maji baridi ati ndio na doma ya ginya ice cubes.
Yeah, ice cream ndio yaga.
Cubes mtu anataka kuna tu nini wana ati modo haka ya ice cube kali yogo.
Mabiko ni Friday.
Mko mama. kura. Yeah, so kuna watu by the way kuna vitu zingine watu wanaziona kama wanaziunderrate, but it's such a blessing kwa ati no ikile hiyo kanua ulia na miana yele. Wewe unakulanga hivyo? What?
Nakulanga na zote mbili.
Ukakile hiyo kanua ukalia
gatanuka na seko digeri.
Wow. Ni unadia na mwana huyo. Oh, kwanza utali leo na ukwegeka.
Guy, wana uko na mashida za watu wazee.
Issues za meno ni that's no.
Alafu najua molars ndo zinaumanga, wako ni canine.
Na ilikuwa inauma vibaya sana. Kwanza ikiingiza baridi. Jioni tuseme ati
Kane johi.
Biko hapana sipo. Nikiluzi meno ni lose at nilikuwa kitu kama ni kama huko 2018.
Ingekuwa sahi tungeblame it on alcohol, ndio.
Hata sahi ningeblame hizo pombe iliko.
Mimi ndio hiyo on you 30. So,
wewe unajua wewe ukame?
Me I used to actually since we are tumezaliwa tuko watatu. I'm the last born of 3. And let me tell you, I used to do it better than everyone.
Ukama?
Yeah. I used to come like me hata hakuna any chore ya home ya siwezi fanya.
No wiki ate no.
Twakuwa ginya thumu. Let me tell you kubeba
Mwana huko thumu kana ko kuziku ni kana nakula kelele hadi
kama unaiteremsha si unaipandisha bado. If you can come down a hill, you have to climb a hill.
But nasema aje mnaangalie dhumu mwa kwani mnabeba hiyo manyua ama unaikuja.
Alafu ikubeba na mgongo.
Udoko kwa koreki hapa. Unasikia unakuwa
Brakes my guy. Brakes. Internal brakes.
Watu basi kuna kaa hivyo but
Murang'a is worse. Lakini unajai kuja home.
Unasikia nini? Sikuembe Murang'a how comes una?
No, let's not go there.
The model unajua model sikuembe is a sign of youth.
My sister has.
Hizo sikuembe zinakuanga hivi.
Let's not go there. So, actually when you talk of ng'ombe, when you draki gatodo
ng'ombe ndio hotana ile. Tukagewe mmoja kora sira tu. Ndio kile ndo mmefaga. Mimi handa akajoka muogelea. Kama ila busy.
So that means mnakuwa na dhara mingi sana.
Mauti ni maiki.
Na mahindi.
Alafu ujue gatoro ni development mno matini megoda menene. Ngumu sana unless ndi gitoka itanga. Unapata watu wana shamba kubwa. Unajua gatoro unajua imekaribia nini sana. Kuna watoto wanaishingi wanafanya job tao wanaishi Gatondo. Na ino kama mwenye. Yeah, it's easy.
Kimonyo.
Kama mundu ikala kamwagi na rutaira thika it's easy.
But also barabara yenyewe imetengenezwa.
Barabara zimetengenezwa saizi iko poa. Tena kuna level 4.
Barabara zimetengenezwa na kururi ama ni zile zilitengenezwa juu ya mkuu.
Na maana hako na input ya asio. No, but hizo ni national. Hizo si ziko kwa national government.
Yani national government.
Unajua kuna mtu akwenda kunock hizo milango mpaka vitu zi happen. Kama mtu kama Kiharu hiyo kazi yote amefanya.
Kiharu nani?
Kiharu nitikuwa Dedenyoro. Sasa unaona jamaa ana develop mpaka wana complain na develop sana.
Na amenyamaza siku hizi.
Si walimtoa kamiti ya nini?
Yeah.
Unajua alitoa kamiti gani? Alikuwa in there.
Why are you trying to shame me? Just bring up your point.
Is it kama ni budget committee, budget and finance committee?
Ya parliament.
Ya parliament. So yeye ndio alikuwa ana head hiyo committee.
That's why tumsikia.
So they were claiming, do we get political kidogo?
Yeah.
They were claiming ati Dedenyoro alikuwa na allocate more resources than zenye anapea wale watu wengine, ndio maana amedevelop sana. So
really?
That is the case they are putting up.
But I think
kuna trend kina Junet wakisema ati development zimefanywa huko Kiharu peke yake sio possible na resources zenye wao wanapewa.
Really now?
So imagine for managing resources vizuri anatolewa kwa kiti. That's why I'm telling you, don't be too good. Not wanaume ndio. Unakuwa mzuri mwanamke tu anakuacha tu. Women hate I guess you convert kukua mzuri kama kukua mnaiputingi aje?
It's too good to be true.
Like jamaa kuwa mzuri when you are too soft.
No, but you cannot approach politics in that sense.
It's the same.
You know, your politics is an assignment.
It's yeah, but Where? In this country?
Politics is an assignment because I also want to acknowledge Nadi, my governor wa kwetu.
Oh, Kangata.
Kangata is one very serious man,
No.
especially when it comes to kitu anafanya Muranga. However, hatuwezi sema ati Kangata is anafanya hivyo because ameallocate more funds. Kangata is literally
he's working with
stealing less or not stealing at all.
Yes.
So
ni afu unajua hata nini Kiambu, well, don't take anything away from Wamatangi. He's also doing a good job. Imagine he has this program mwenye anapeana kila home anawapea nguruwe mwe.
Pamona
Haya, anawapea fertilizer, anapeana miti ya avocado.
Nguruwe ni yake.
Nguruwe, imagine umenye abia atarege, useme anaenda anapeana, imagine we put it this way, umeenda mahali anapea vijana nguruwe. Mamudu adhiye nguruwe adhiye biye kurira nguruwe yake.
Edie smoky.
Unajua it can be tabu ko muri atano kwa nyumu ya nguruwe ni mutebia farm ya nguruwe. Nguruwe ithano mu mutebia.
Araruta ko nguruwe icio.
Nguruwe zikigirikira handu yuko atia.
Na nguruwe aramahe nguruwe kina thara.
Na nguruwe bebe you know the avocado business is booming.
Yes, we are farming avocado at home and let me tell you it is doing.
Umefika place kuuza? Ni fuete kana ni hash?
Hash. Fuete ni gani?
Fuete ni ile, you don't know fuete?
Mama yangu anyway. My mom sells, we sell them annually and we get good money.
Annually?
Annually, yes. Season yake ni moja inaia.
Oh, okay.
And we get like good money.
Avocado business inaninia. Hata kuna best yangu najua kwa that business.
Sasa shida ni Wakikuyu wakijua kitu iko na pesa wana overdo.
Wanaingia huko wote.
Wanazipanda ndani ya majani chai.
Na si unatoa hiyo kwanza mnakata hizo majani chai mnaziondoa mnaweka avocado. See what works for you to
No, you see again majani chai iko na pesa every end month. Hiyo avocado iko na pesa annually. In as much as kama tunaweza manage anyway, that's a discussion for another day.
Ngora batedere taru ule. Nilikuwa naona watu wanafanya aje. Unajua vijana kunywa wakipewa hiyo nguruwe aheoe kitu ya mbele yuka akili ni kumiendia. Ndio sasa henya yako wote ni kana ile ndio ukaibia kana 150. Honestly, just use kwa pata za jaba hiyo story hiyo unaona? So unaenda unapack pick up yako mahali. So umepewa yako moja na umechukua. Hao wengine wote wakiuza ukama tap ukama dehera ukama wanjoni usokele hiyo nguruwe takuyo igana. So wewe umeanza a whole farm ya.
No kama andika
kwa mahatage.
So that is what Wamatangi is doing.
Yeah, he's doing pretty much good. Nasikia watu wanasema atarudi. So lakini ni siasa sijui.
Ai, watu gani wanasema atarudi?
Wewe nani umesikia akisema hatarudi?
No, because I have heard nothing about Kiambu County.
So leaders wanafanya.
Where do you vote?
Last time siku vote nini kwetu kushago ni vote Juja.
So okay, I thought unasema huku vote.
Only vote.
It was your...
And I wish I didn't. Tunajua tulichagua
Nyinyi wale wa nyinyi wa
sisi ndio tulichagua suti.
Shema.
Mwenye tuliweka hiyo suti za hii imetukalia hata hatuwezi vaa. Ndio ungeona si aduti. Ndio ndo.
Guys. Shame on you.
No, you're not. Kwani ulichagua nani?
Mimi it was my first time to vote. It was my first time to vote actually, and I remember nilivotia Kasarani seasons. And guess who I voted for? Kwani wenyi wa suti, nani mwingine hakuwa na suti?
Ulichagua Ruto.
No. No. We are not mentioning names here, but I never voted for him. I voted for another party.
A popular one, now you just went for Jakoya.
I never went for Jakoya, and you know that time I was our Jakoyan, but I never voted for him.
I hope you get more Jakoya.
I voted for another party.
Oh, okay. Looking back, why did you not vote for whoever won?
I took.
Kuna green ideology yake.
No. I took Uhuru's warning seriously.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
You did?
I loved Uhuru, and something told me tulikuwa niambia I'll never meet him when he was in power. I loved that man.
Okay.
So everything that angeniambia, everything that he said, I took it seriously, and I was like, he knows what he's saying. Yeah.
That's instincts yako basi ilikuwa kali na kama belief yako ni.
Instinct. I never, but let me tell you, I never sikoseangi vitu sana. That brings us home.
Hapo umeanguka mpaka jina.
Ushaisikia Strength of a Woman?
Yeah, I've had.
Billy Graham.
Ni ameimba hiyo.
Morgan.
Sio nani? Sio Shaggy.
Ai, Morgan.
Strength of a Woman.
Yes, Strength.
Shaggy.
See will nini Graham Morgan. So,
but anyway,
have you heard about the Strength of a Woman?
I have.
Have you seen the Strength of a Woman?
I don't take anything away from the fact that women are such a, you know,
a
powerhouse.
In this case, I am the woman.
Oh, in this case.
Yes.
Yeah, but you can focus your strength elsewhere. It's not needed here clearly.
I like how you smile.
Huyu mama najua ameninoki. Kutoka kitambo yeye kunitamani.
But they, yeah.
So she told me that as well. And I like when she says it.
Me too.
What?
Me too. I like if I think we are sharing one thing in common, so it is easy to catch up with you guys.
Have you ever heard that wanasemanga mwanaume upenda place yenye ana make effort, si places yenye the lady ana make effort.
Effort? Hii inamaanisha nini?
Like so you literally you're throwing yourself at me.
It's still fine.
No, but you're not supposed to. I'm supposed to be the one throwing myself at you. You get that?
As in throwing aje.
I do the heavy lifting. Mimi ndo nafana ku approach. Mimi ndo na.
But hujani lift bado.
I'm the one who should be showing efforts.
Come on heavy lifting, but you are failing on your end.
Why?
Because mimi hujani lift.
Because I don't want to.
But you see, you're neglecting a duty.
You see, it's a matter of choices. So I mean, I choose my lifting. I'm doing it elsewhere.
Oh, so kuna pali una lift?
Yes, of course.
So what? Where unaweza ni advise guys? Unaweza ni advice aje, because it feel like this is just a tip of an iceberg dealing with you.
Yeah.
So before I come, juu nataka pia uni advise. I would want you to like shed the light
About? She just told you just sit back and wait for someone to make that effort. Stop making the effort. Okay?
But I have been waiting for you.
But then I've already told you that I don't want to make the effort. So wait for someone else. Probably you that don't ignore watu wengine at the expense ya kuniona.
Hakuna mtu na ignore. Hiyo nawe naweza kuambia kama unaogopa.
Yaani hakuna mtu na ignore. Hey. It is that bad.
If you are worried, kama hiyo ndio inafanya usinifanyie heavy lifting, wewe jua tu hakuna mtu ignore. The road is clear. You can take the wheel.
No. I like it when I'm making the effort. And you have clearly denied me that duty. Yeah? But
because you're not doing it, then that's why I'm doing it.
No, because you're not sitting back and letting me do that. Where you're always there.
So what do you like about me?
I appreciate your effort.
Oh, yeah. That's sweet. Wow, thank you, Aki. Thank you so much. That means so much to me. That means so much to me.
You are such a go-getter who gets nothing. I don't get how that works, because you go for things
Don't be mean. Imagine don't be mean.
I'm not trying. I'm
also, you also have to consider that I'm human again. So don't be mean. So kuniambia magogeta who gets nothing. What is that?
No, sijui kama umeget venye nimesema you're a go-getter, but you are going for the wrong things. I mean, that sound better. Ina sound vizuri.
Go-getter means you go and get.
Yeah, but you don't get. Sasa hapo kwa kuget, ni kama hapo ndio.
So on my end I don't get.
Yeah. You have what we call, you set goals that as equal achievable.
You have an example? For example?
No, I don't have a clear one. Because mtu akupea signs za hakutaki, why don't you just go to the next one? Ama hakuna next.
Hakuna next.
I'm your only hope. I'm your only hope.
Sasa hakuna next bana, guys. ati kama mtu akutaki unaenda next.
Yeah, go to the next one.
When do you plan A?
You are someone's, okay, what do you call it? Dream. Kuna mtu ana dream kuwa na mtu kama
By the way, kama una dream kuwa na mtu kama mimi, please comment down below, because next najaribu kufanya next lakini hakuna ushaifanya next kwa playlist na hakuna isongi next. That is the situation here.
Sasa unajua kama umeweka unafanya next kwa playlist but umeweka tu only one song na umeweka on repeat, so it has to keep playing.
But why? But
open your third eye and
that I was introduced to weird things.
Oh, this kila mtu anakuwa the third eye.
Which is
the third eye of.
Can you use the where to me the third eye kuniona?
You don't take it so kuna sasa unaona vitu kama hizo ndio zinatumanga that we cannot have a conversation that inaingiana. Kwa sasa the third eye, unajisikia the third eye? Unajisikia mtu anasema Mungu nifungue the third eye?
No.
That even when my eyes are closed I can see. That is that
eye. Sounds like some lyrics somewhere.
Imagine it's not. That is something.
I know
I sound lyrical.
It's your own creation.
It's your own creation.
I admire your brain.
Yeah. Like even when your eyes are, it's kama mtu watu wenye spiritual, being spiritual, that is the third eye. I mean, see, you can see things that people cannot see. Kwa nini unaziona na nini? Are you spiritual?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Very spiritual, by the way. Nitaenda kupiga dry fasting nyingine moja because of you.
Now you see now you.
And don't joke when a woman kneels down. Don't joke with a woman who kneels before the Lord.
They will stand because I believe that when you're supposed to be praying for, if you're praying for a man, pray for a man, don't pray for Gidua.
But you are the desire of my heart.
No, mbona unanichagulia? Siwache, let the will be done.
That is my will.
Kwani ni will yako inafanyika? Kama ni will yako basi ungeenda kuomba. The reason you are praying is because there is another will that should be done.
Which is
Mungu, uambie Mungu kama sio huyu nipatie ni nani.
But God has been so silent, so that means it's you. But anyway, we are going to. Don't worry, but don't worry about it.
You have a plan.
I have a plan.
Uko na mipango umetenga.
Nimekutengea vizuri sana. So guys, that's it for this conversation, because you can clearly see that we can never conclude a conversation with my man. So what do you have to say?
And by the way, I've told you I'm progressing conversations elsewhere with someone, so watch how you
don't have to keep on repeating that. Mbona unashinda kirudia hiyo?
You watch how you naweza kuwa naona kitu kama hivi then naseme why mbona nilikuwa nasema you man, are you guys, you know. So
si anajua, hata yeye anajua she don't belong to you. So hebu ambia watu, why are you treating me like that?
So I'm one of the most kind-hearted person unaweza pata. But I also have choices. She happens not to be one of them. Anasema she doesn't take no for an answer, but you will have to. Otherwise kuna mtu umekataa mahali la.
Sijaki.
Unajikataa mtu.
Na kama nishai kukataa, comment down below, sijawahi.
Na lakini ukataliwa nayo you have experience rejection now ni kama ni experience.
Fair share
of rejection. So I'm not the first one. Then it's nothing. Mbona inakaa kama yangu inakuwa tu if you're not the first one then.
But when unafanya siku ni reject. I don't take it as rejection on my end.
You take it as
I take it as time will tell.
All right.
So time will tell. Thank you so much for coming. I truly appreciate.
Yeah, yes.
Si wacha nikupe like vote of thanks.
No, it's okay. You can do it.
Okay, so where basi.
Can you behave here?
Hi guys. So thank you so much. comment down below. Let me have like strategies. Can I know what you guys do? Can I know how you execute plans that look so unexecutable? Can I know how you achieve things that look so unachievable?
You shift the goalposts.
Can you do that for me? Can you do that for me?
You do that for yourself.
So you do that for me?
Me, I'm okay from where the goalpost yangu mahali iko sawa. I can shoot my shot na inaingia.
You are shooting shot?
Yes.
So that means
power shot.
So that means you can shoot shot?
Yes.
Guys, I think but it's a matter of patience. It's a matter of patience on my end. So I'm gonna wait. If the shot is coming, if the shot is coming, I have no reason to worry. Yeah. Thank you so much. Ebu ambia watu kitu.
Okay, yeah. So glad to be here, and of course it was a nice conversation. And
a fruitful one. A fruitful.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Okay.
It was a fruitful one. How do you feel about that conversation?
The conversation was nice because at least nime shed light ya venye na feel about you, which is nothing. Yeah.